How to select a research topic, step-by-step guide for students and researchers. Before we begin, a quick request. If you are a master's or PhD researcher or someone starting research, please subscribe to our channel and follow us. We regularly upload step-by-step research tutorials explained simply with real examples, especially for beginners. If you miss subscribing, you may not get updates about our upcoming videos on SPSS, thesis writing, research methods, and data analysis. Now, let's get started. Are you struggling to choose a research topic? Do you feel confused, overwhelmed, or stuck? If yes, this video will save you weeks, maybe even months of frustration. Today, I will show you a structured, academic way to select a strong, publishable, and impactful research topic. Most students start with a random idea. They say, I want to study leadership. I want to study AI. I want to study finance. But that's not a research topic. That's just a broad area. A research topic must address a real problem, be theory-driven, fill a clear research gap, be feasible to execute.
First, define your research domain. Ask yourself, what field am I working in? What journals do I want to publish in? What methods do I know? For example, entrepreneurship, sustainable finance, digital transformation, asset pricing, AI in education. Do not jump across fields randomly. Build a research stream.
Research starts with a problem, not just variables. Weak topic, risk-taking and performance. Stronger topic, how does risk-taking propensity moderate the relationship between psychological well-being and entrepreneurial success among women entrepreneurs in the UAE? Notice the difference. Clear context, clear variables, clear theory, clear contribution.
Before finalizing your topic, review the literature. Look for theoretical gaps, contextual gaps, methodological gaps, conflicting findings. Create a simple table: author, theory, method, sample, gap. When you map the literature, the gap becomes visible.
Before selecting your topic, test it against these 5 filters. Relevance. Is it current? Originality. Has it been done 100 times? Data availability. Can you realistically collect data? Method fit. Do you know how to analyze it? Publishability. Which journal can this go to? If you cannot imagine a target journal, rethink your topic. Here are 3 powerful strategies. Method 1. Add a moderator. Example: risk propensity, institutional quality, gender, AI adoption. Method 2. Change context. Study emerging markets, GCC countries, digital economies. Method 3. Upgrade the method. Use IV instead of OLS. Use DID instead of cross-sectional. Create composite indices using PCA. Strong method plus clear gap equals publishable paper. A good research topic should answer: what is new? Why does it matter? For whom does it matter? What theory does it extend? If you can clearly answer these, you have a strong topic. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow researchers. And if you want me to help you design a publishable research topic, comment below with your field, your level, Bachelor, MBA, PhD, your data access. I'll respond with tailored research ideas. Thank you for watching, and keep researching.